Okay, so the first part of this training for title searching is going to be just looking up the property. So first what we're going to do is we're going to create a folder. And we're going to label the folder with the order number, which in this case is HT2410063. And we'll use this later on. So we get into SoftPro and we look up the order number. And what we're looking for here is if there is any related orders, and we're also looking to make sure that the property address is correct. So for our title change sheet, order numbers here, no prior files, and we can go ahead and write down the property address. Now next what we'll do is we'll go into our web browser to search the property. I like to use Netter Online because it's fast and convenient. Basically, you just scroll down, pick your state, and then your county. And in this case, we are searching Shawnee. We'll go down to the mapping GIS, find address or place, and we will type in our address. Pops up. I like to go down to these three little dots and add a marker. That way when you zoom out, you can find your property quicker. Go up here to layers and click on plat map, which will give you the dimensions, and highlight the plat. So we're going to print this out. We'll hit print. Double click on that. There's your property. Make sure it's all complete in the print. Make sure you save it to PDF. Hit print again. And then we're going to make sure that it's going to that folder we just created, and we will label it prop map. And click save. Next, you want to go back over to the map. You can go ahead and get rid of that. And the marker that you created, go ahead and click on it. Scroll over to page 2. You'll see a link for appraisal website. Go ahead and click on that. And this is your property information card. So you're going to want to print this out to a PDF, just like we did the map. This one will go in portrait mode. So you print that, make sure it's to your same folder, and we'll label it prop info. And you can see your PDF, here it is, prop info. Okay. And with that, you see this parcel ID right here. You can go ahead and add it to our change sheet right there. Okay, back to this. Next, we'll click on the property record card. And go ahead and print that out, and that stays in landscape mode. Again, same thing. Label it prop card, make sure it's going to the right folder, print. And there it is. You have your prop info card and your property card. Both of them we just printed off. And you're going to go back and you can go to the taxes link. And it's also right here on the same cards that we were just on. Now your property info tax, Information right here for this particular county is your general tax, your special tax, and then it would be your total. So there's your 2024 total tax. And it tells you first half is 0, second half is still owed. And if you scroll down 2023, it tells you the total amount and there is none due. So that tells you that it was paid in full. So you would go over here to your title chain, scroll down to the very bottom of it, 2024 taxes, the original amount, the amount that is due, and 0 specials. Second line, you would put the 2023 taxes in the total amount and they were paid in full. And now you can put a check mark on the taxes box right there that you have checked the taxes. Want to go ahead and print this off. This would be in portrait mode. Make sure the file is the same. Label it. Just label mine property tax, prop tax. Okay. Now in your PDF, you have your prop info, your prop card, and your property tax. And remember, we also did prop map. So you have all 4 of those that we just looked up on your PDF sheet. Next is going to be looking up the property in the Register of Deeds, and that will be on the next training session.